Hi there, hope you are doing well. Today I want to talk about one of my previous experiences, which I'm really proud of, and walk you through this case study. At the first step, let me introduce myself. I'm Zohre, and I have been working for more than 7 years as a UX designer and user researcher with different teams in different industries. And I've gained a lot of experiences, which I think it can help me to solve more complex problems in the future. One of them is increasing sales rate for more than 130 times in just 3 days. And how it happened, let me walk you through this case study. At the first step, let me talk about Yes Doctor, because I gained this experience while I was working at Yes Doctor. Yes Doctor is a US-based company which provides some healthcare services, and it has two different aspects: B2B for collaborating with doctors, and B2C for working with patients and giving them a loan to do their plastic surgeries. At the beginning stage, we decided to add a new feature to promote ourselves in US, and it was a tiny service, something like doing hair removal or some non-surgical activities, which we called it a special package. And we predicted that we will sell at least 10 of these special packages per day. We set up everything. All of us was ready at that moment. The support team was ready. And after 2 weeks, sold any, and it was disappointing for all of us. Different stakeholders such as marketing manager, product manager, or founders came to me, and they asked me, let's find what is the problem and how we can solve it, because they called me a problem solver. So I decided to first understand what happened and then find a solution for this situation. So I started with uh, checking user behavior, and I wanted to understand what was their behavior in our landing page. I checked Google Analytics and Hotjar, and I found some information which gave me some insight. For example, I understand that less than 20% of our visitors scroll the landing page. It meant that this landing page was not attractive for them. But why? I didn't know at that moment. And the other thing was, if some of that visitors wanted to fill this form, uh, when they uh, when they see the specific field, social security number, they abandoned our landing page. But at that moment, I didn't know what is the problem with this field. After that, I decided to talk with our focus group to uh, to understand more about how it happened and why. What is the point? In the first stages, I created a focus group which included 25% who were under doing plastic surgeries with our doctors, and they were a sample of our target audiences. I talked with them, and they also gave me some information which helped me to solve these problems. For example, they asked me, I need to know more detail about these special packages, their cost, their duration of this loan and the detail of the device which they wanted to do this special package. And also they told me that filling their information in a long form is made them uncomfortable, and also social security number is something that has a direct effect on their credit, and they didn't like to share this code with anyone. They mentioned some other thing like I need to know more about special package rather than the doctor. And also I find some other problems like we hadn't considered those users who are already in the process of doing the surgery with us. The person who are already has their main services. They receive a main service. We didn't consider them. And based on these informations, I decided to first of all change the information architecture. It helps us to being in the same page with the developers and understand what users should do while they are passing this journey. Different different user, like the new one, the one who are already in their process, and some different user, for example some of them who were failed in some of them who failed and they are not eligible to receive this loan, and different users. I created this information architecture, and based on best practices I changed the visual. For example, I decided to focus more on special package rather than the doctor, and also I asked them to insert their email at the first step. By this decision we will get in touch with them even if they abandoned our landing page during their process. We will have something to get in touch with them. And also I decided to divide information into different steps rather than a long form. Also we decided to remove social security number at this step and calculate their eligibility based on their individual information and their addresses. It wasn't that much accurate, but it helps us to understand if they are eligible or not. And after 3 days of running the second iteration, we sold more than 130 special packages, which was really surprising for all of us. Thanks for listening to this case study. And if you like to get in touch with me, please send me a direct message on my LinkedIn account. And also you can check my portfolio from this link. Thank you very much and have a nice day.